Hi everyone, today I got a mail from my subscriber. He is going to level 1000 square feet and he calculated how many bags need for this project at 76 bags. So this is exactly 1000 square feet and 76 bags. What I did few years ago, I found this video and I wanna show you how I did this leveling. You see this 2x4s and between there is the pipes with radiant heat. It's made specially for nail down. This idea was like 100 years ago, and now we not nailing, we just gluing floor, but they have these lugs, pipes, and another extra just slab, concrete slab with radiant heat. So you see, I showed you a bucket. This is a key primer from Mapei, especially for wood, tiles, for the surface. For concrete, I'm using L primer. But here, as you see, between these slabs, it's soft concrete. So I used also key primer. Now what I'm doing, I'm scared, to some leaks downstairs between the slabs because so many cracks and holes, and I just took self-leveling compound and used flat trowel to fill up whole this imperfection. You see, it takes time, but I protect by myself because owners, when doing this renovation, living downstairs in the basement. So if I got some leaks downstairs, it will be a big surprise for them. So what you see, I already did patching, and then I put, if you watching my whole videos, for leveling I always use foam. You see white foam. I put with staples, and then bottom always sealing with silicone. I'm using regular caulk from the Home Depot. It's also avoid any leaks under the walls. You never know how many small cracks. And you see whole cracks I fill up. You see white lines. It's silicone. I fill up whole cracks, and between 2x4s around, everything where I found some little cracks, I filled it. You see how many? This is another spot with 2x4s. Very interesting how they did floor. Maybe before it was hardwood on these lugs. Between the hardwood was just carpet maybe. So anyway, so now I'm set up tripod. So I found the highest spot, and then highest spot, it should be attached with laser. And then I set up whole tripods, not higher than that high spot. Sometimes if it's high spot too high, you can put down like quarter-inch, and then after it's grinding. But with radiant heat, it's hard to grind because you can cut off the pipe. You see, so very fast set up the height of tripods. You have to match the middle on the bolt. You see the plate on the bottom. You just need to set up this plate exactly with laser line. That's it. Very fast, very simple. Everybody can do it. And after that, you can see how many bags of self-leveling compound you have to put, because when it's concrete self-leveling compound, attach the plate, bottom plate, that's it. You don't need to put more. So you see it's already set up. I put bags around, and now we start to do leveling. So always start leveling from the lowest spot. This room was very low, and I start from this room, and whole the leveling I will do part by part, but it should be entrance first of all. find the farthest way, and you have to go exactly to the exit. You have to go away, without any problems. Because in this area, what I am just leveling here, so I will show you the moment there is my spikes on the spike roller. It's inch and a quarter, but it's not enough deep because it was a lot of self-leveling compound, and I can't roll when you're rolling, and so roller pull and push the concrete. So I am just smashing. Smashing it's help always because when you smashing the roller, it's just making waves, and self-leveling compound spreading very nice, and make you can make a level, very good level. Spike roller need for removing bubbles, and we spreading self-leveling compound everywhere. Just nice, make a nice level. Some people said, "Oh, I'm just pulling concrete and that's it." No, need to roll it. Before I use Plan 2 plus, very good self-leveling compound, but what in this time already I start using Plan SP. It's standard performance already. I'm using maybe a year, maybe a little bit more. This is really good. Why I'm just recommend SP if you're not really experienced it, because Plan 2 settle very fast, like 30 minutes, boom. If you're not working so fast, like you see, we're working together. Well, you see, I'm smashing because there is too deep and not enough space in this spikes to roll it. Now in the entrance to the small room there is deep, but other side it's fine and I can roll it. I work with my friend, and we working very fast. We using our Plan 2, and just when we finish half of this rooms, it's half of another half is already start settle. Always use push-pull tools, because easy to spread the self-leveling compound from one side to another side, and I'm not using spike shoes. You know why? Because there is the pipes, and if it's radiant heat, I never use spike shoes, and I'm not using spike shoes over the wood subfloor because it's very easy to make holes. I hope this video was helpful. Just organize everything, prepare bags, dry pots, everything, water, and go.